cookie decoration that I received for my birthday. Come, check it out, check it out. Isn't it cool? It's a woodwork piece and it's done by my amazingly talented and really good friend, Amanda, aka A-Dubs. Which is a good segue because she's actually the one who introduced me to this recipe. And because I'm the worst, let it be known, she actually is also the one who introduced me to the peanut butter pie recipe. If you don't remember it, so a big shout out to you, A-Dubs, and your wonderful wife, Janine. And welcome to my kitchen. OMG, you guys, these keto crackers are such an easy recipe. Like, you can whip these up on short notice for a quick snack. Watch me. All right, so the first thing that we want to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna line a baking sheet with parchment paper. We're gonna set that aside. Now, in a food processor, we're gonna add 2 cups of blanched almond flour. We're gonna add salt to taste, but we're gonna start with about a half a teaspoon. And then we're gonna add 1 large egg. Now at this point you can add some spices just to kind of give the crackers some flavor. I like to add that ranch seasoning mix that I made. You can check it out here. Now we're gonna process this until it forms a dough. Now don't worry, if you don't have a food processor, you can also just do this by hand, in a bowl. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna place this dough on a parchment paper. We're gonna place another piece of parchment paper on top of that, and we're gonna go ahead and roll this out. Now, you can make this as thin or as thick as you would like. It just depends on your taste. The thinner you get it, the crispier it'll be. Now, if you could also get this into a rectangular shape, that would be perfect, but that's not always going to happen, so just be prepared to snip some dough off the ends. All right, so now we're gonna cut our cracker dough into rectangles, and I like to use a pizza cutter because it makes it so much easier. Perfect. Now, we're gonna either use a fork or a toothpick to prick these and just give each cracker a few holes. Beautiful. Now, we're gonna place these on our lined baking sheet, and these are gonna bake in our 350 degree oven for about 8 to 12 minutes or until they're golden brown. And kind of depending on the size, the serving size is about 5 crackers, and you're looking at 4 net carbs per serving. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below what your thoughts are on how easy this recipe is. And give a shout out to A-Dubs for me. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.